To see which animals are on heat in NeedApp now, you go to the work list icon on the home screen. You then pick the in heat work list. Animals are added to the in heat work list once they've had a consistent increase in their activity over the previous 6 hours. So you won't see an animal added to this until she's had an increase in activity for more than 6 hours. The heat score on the left is an indicator of the strength of the heat the cow is having. 3, 4 and 5 star heat will show in green, and a 1 and a 2 star heat will be shown in grey. The more stars a heat has, the stronger it is, and the more likely that the cow is ready to be inseminated. Any animal less than 50 days calved will have this blue NVWP icon shown. This is to mark that she's still in the voluntary waiting period, which is set to 50 days by default. The animal's days in milk are also shown, along with the number of hours since the start of heat. Any other flags that have been set for an animal will also be shown on the heat list, such as the Sexema flag shown here. These flags need to be set manually and don't appear automatically unless they've been added previously. Tapping onto a heat will bring up that animal's reproduction timeline. On the left, the blue calf icon indicates day 0 of the lactation. Shown down the bottom, she calved the 24th of the 1st. 39 days later, that animal had its first heat, indicated by the stack of stars on the 4th of the 3rd. 24 days after that, the animal had another heat, indicated by the stack of 5 stars, and now 25 days later that animal is cycling again. If a service has been recorded against a heat, it'll be shown on the timeline up the top with the sperm icon here. Scrolling down, there's more information shown below the graph. The number of stars a heat has is not related to the timing of AI. The timing of AI is decided based on the optimal insemination moment, which is shown here with this green bar. The left hand side of the bar is the start of heat, hour 0, and the right hand side is about 40 hours later. In general, you will not serve a cow before 10 or 12 hours, which is somewhere about halfway across the dark green here. The orange mark indicates the current point of time, so this will, as time rolls on, this will move from left to right. As this cow is flagged for sex semen, there's a second green bar shown here, just above the main one. This indicates 14 to 22 hours, which is the optimal time for using sex semen. So when the orange mark is in the upper green bar, you're okay to use sex semen on this animal. This is only shown on any animal that you have previously flagged for having sex semen. Pressing on the X in the top right will close out that heat graph. Animals are automatically removed from the heat list once a service has been recorded against the heat or once 40 hours have elapsed. You can also manually remove an animal from the heat list by swiping to the left and selecting the in heat button if it is a valid heat, so 3 stars and above. The inseminated and 2 inseminated button are generally not used. Swiping to the right shows a no heat button. This is used in the case of a 1 or a 2 star heat that's gone over 20 hours.